What makes CONTROLTEK unique in the RFID space is that we're focused really on RFID and how it works to solve complex problems. We sit down with our customers and understand what their challenge is, and we come up with the right mix of hardware, software, the type of tag, and then the process that's needed.
It really comes down to, again, understanding those challenges, looking at specifically what's happening in their environment and what needs to be addressed, and then working together to try to identify a solution for that. And then doing rapid prototyping and coming up with ideas to test in those environments. And once we isolate what's exactly needed, then we can actually develop it and deploy it.
We take a modularized or a platform approach where if our customer only needs inventory visibility, our software is able to provide just that leg. If they only need asset tracking, it's able to provide just that leg. And so when we think about the RFID family of business, it's really taking all of our expertise that we have and applying it to either development of hardware, development of software, development of tags, or the vice versa of sourcing and going out and finding the best in the world. Because at CONTROLTEK, we understand that we're not going to necessarily be the best to manufacture everything. Where we know we can do it better than someone else, we do. Where we need to partner with someone, we do as well. We're agnostic. We're not trying to stick you with a specific product category or of hardware or tags. We're really focused on making the technology work in the environments. And it's great. In the last 4 years, we've had over 10,000 RFID systems installed because we're focused on solving a problem, not selling a particular technology.